Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the language on LEDGER Stax. To do it, you'll need to use the LEDGER Live app. Go to My Ledger, then select your ledger. Now, click on Language and set it to whatever you like. Click on Change Language. Then it may take a moment to install that language. And now it's done. Let's click on Continue, and I'm gonna revert back to English. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.